A major standoff is developing between Indian energy giant Nayara Energy and global tech major Microsoft. Nayara, which runs one of India's biggest private oil refineries, has taken legal action after Microsoft suddenly suspended access to critical digital services. In a statement released on Monday, Nayara Energy said Microsoft's move was in response to European Union sanctions against its refinery at Vadinagar in Gujarat. The company, partly owned by Russian oil firm Rosneft, has now filed a petition in the Delhi High Court asking for urgent intervention to restore services. Now, according to Nayara, Microsoft is restricting the company's access to its own data, proprietary tools and software products, even though these were brought under fully paid licenses. Nayara says the US-based tech giant acted without any legal obligation under Indian or US laws, based solely on its own interpretation of EU sanctions. Nayara said there was no prior warning or consultation from Microsoft before the services were cut off. The fear now is that such disruptions could affect India's energy supply chain, especially if Nayara is unable to maintain operations. Remember, Nayara Energy owns the massive Vadinagar refinery, which can process about 20 million tons of crude oil each year. It also operates a wide fuel retail network across the country. Earlier this month, the European Union included Nayara's refinery in the listed and the latest round of sanctions against Russia. Now, these measures are aimed at limiting global trade in Russian energy following its war with Ukraine. The sanctions package included asset freezes, restrictions on shipping and insurance, and a lower price cap on Russian crude. Now, since the sanctions were announced, oil traders and shipping firms have begun distancing themselves from Nayara. 2 tankers reportedly declined to lift oil cargo from its port, and a recent tender to export naphtha ended without any buyers.